Hey guys, Easy Amateur Radio, and here's my eBay find Elecraft KX3 Untested radio, as they call it on eBay. And you'll notice that this radio is not plugged into anything. That's because I went ahead and couldn't wait to make a video to test the battery out. So I'm going to open it up. I'm going to show you how to open it up. We're going to go ahead and show you what batteries I use. They'll be linked in the description, and make sure you go ahead, like and subscribe so you can watch more videos like this if you have a KX3 or if you're interested in radio at all. And besides, subscribing is free. It's not like there's a membership or anything. So we're going to turn the KX3 over on its backside. Now I have these side rails on mine that came with it, so I'm going to leave it like that. And what we're looking at here is the backside of it. The heat sinks up top, the VFO knob right here, and the speaker. So make sure when you're doing this, your KX3 is oriented the same way. These side thumb screws just come out on each side. We'll set these aside. Now these kickstands up top, we have to be a little bit more careful getting those out. We'll pull those out right there. We'll pull the little feet out just like that. They just kind of pop out. This one seems to be like it wants to hang up just a touch. There we go, we got it out now. And now I'm going to rotate the KX3 so I can show you what it looks like with the battery pack. So just from the beginning, I just want to say be careful with, you have this ribbon cable and then the power for the battery pack. So these are Panasonic In-A-Loop Pros. They're rechargeable, and I believe that they are nickel metal high. Let's see, they're 250 milliamp hours, and yeah, nickel metal hydrate. I believe that's how you say that. But they are 12 volt. You know, can't beat that. These are pretty solid batteries. These are what everybody recommends on the KX3 web boards and stuff like that. So we'll go ahead and turn them around, make them look pretty. But that's really all there is to the inside of this, is AA's. I would like to see somebody, maybe somebody has, if you've seen it, if you've done it, put it in the link, excuse me, put it in the comments. I'd like to see a LiPo4, maybe a 3 amp hour battery, replace these AA's with a little bit better charging option. But I'm not complaining. It's just the quality of this radio, you know, pairing it with nice AA's can be challenging. So looking to pair it with something like a LiPo battery in 2025 really seems to work a little bit better, get a little bit more efficiency, a little bit more time and use out of it. So we'll make sure we go ahead and get this put back together right. You want to make sure everything is kind of set down nice and even, like it doesn't feel like you're setting it on any wires or anything. I like to start with the bottom thumb screws. Go ahead and put those back together. Make sure it's sitting flush. Mine seems to have a little bit of resistance. When you're tightening down, you want to make sure you tighten them down good. Sorry about that jump cut. I don't know why the flash turned on. And you want to make sure that you have these oriented the right way. You want this silver part, the female side of the threads, on the inside. Take this thumb screw and you want to kind of match it up together. And there you go. You can see how it's seated in there. We'll turn it. I don't like to get them too, I like a little bit of friction, but I like the kickstand to be able to flow. Same thing with the other side. We will just kind of slip it in that slot. And screw it in. And just in case you're wondering, these are wind camp. I believe they call these KX3 side guards. Got the heat sink up top. I believe that's a wind camp accessory too. Wind camp makes some pretty okay products. I've used them before. This thumb screw is a little tight. Seems like we kind of got it in a bit of a bind. Yeah, you want to make sure these kickstands come up. Then we'll set it down and we'll go ahead and power it on. And there you go. We'll go to the setting. That's your backlight. If you turn this on and off, it will, oh, that's battery charge, excuse me. It will turn it off and that'll save battery too. I think it just looks cooler with it on. I'm not doing any real serious operating with this, and I like an external battery anyway. This is just for, you know, like testing antennas, tuning stuff up, things like that. My battery charge is off right now. You can turn it on to 4, 8, 12, or 16-hour charge cycles. I like that 4-hour charge cycle. I'm really not sure if that charges the batteries fully. I just like that. And then you just leave the radio on and it charges them connected to a power source. And this now it's saying we have a low supply. I'm assuming that is because there's nothing plugged into this. The Elecraft menu system is great. This is a Cadillac of radios, but it does have its quirks on, you know, what it says and stuff. But there you go, guys. That is the untested eBay find Elecraft KX3 Battery Installation. We got it working. 73, everybody. Thanks for watching.